want to be when I grew up. I want to be a cosmetologist. I want to be a draftsperson. I want to work with my dad, network administrator, and teach preschool. And nope, I did have many careers though. But the dream was when I grew up, I wanted to be a mom. I wanted to be the best mom. I wanted to have a great family, not necessarily a white picket fence. That kind of creeped me out a little bit. But I did want to be the best mom and have a dog and have just a great family, the family dream, right? That didn't always work out for me. Look he does not want to be on camera. He says, "Get the camera out of my face." Oh my gosh, you'll do anything, won't you? He doesn't want to be on camera. Aw, I'm sorry, buddy. So yeah, that's what I always wanted to do, helping people, and none of the careers worked out really fully. I enjoyed each stage. Kind of just like I always moved around in life and had different apartments, bought a couple of houses, but then life changed and circumstances changed and ended up moving again and then renting again. And yeah. So long story short, what did I want to be when I grew up? I don't want to grow up. At heart, I'm not a grown up. In my mind, yes, I am. Because we always have to have the next. What are we going to do to take care of ourselves? Right? Gotta take care of this little munchkin. Gotta feed him. Are you waking up now? You look like you're smiling. Oh. Oh, hello. Good morning. I love you. I'm just stuck. I'm stuck down here in my bed. Good morning, sunshine. It is so cold. There he is. Hey, little friend. Little squirrel. Good morning, squirrel. That's what you hear? Is that what you hear, Lullabye? You can see our breath this morning. Whoa!